Hello, what's up everyone? This is your boy Solomon from Kansiime Media. Okay, in today's video I'm gonna let you know some of the things you should always consider before buying a laptop for yourself. Here we go. Okay, as we are back, what are some of the things you should always consider before buying a laptop for yourself? First of all, you should be knowing what is the purpose of that laptop. Is it for video editing, graphic designing, let's say secretarial work, gaming, what, for leisure timing, DJ, video mixing, what? So let's go into yet another video. But before, don't forget to subscribe. Just click that button down there, subscribe, and also click the notification button. Whenever I post a new video, you should always be getting a notification. Okay, here we go. Okay, we are back. So some of the things you should always consider before buying a laptop. What? This is the list I made. A few things, as you see, 1 to 7, 8. Yeah, that's it. Number 1, budget. How much do you have in your wallet? I don't know. You have $500, $100, I don't know. It's up to you. Second tip, RAM. This is RAM speed. This is RAM, RAM, random access memory. Random access memory. You understand? RAM speed, 2 gigabytes, 3 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes. You should know. Actually, some laptops range from $150 to $5,000 US. So if you fill your wallet, you can go in for expensive laptop. So another tip is the CPU. The CPU, this is a central processing unit. You know that the processor. So the processor speed is always measured in gigahertz. So you can go in. It is measured in megahertz. So once you buy a laptop with higher gigahertz, higher the processor, the money goes higher. So you should know your wallet. How much do you have in your wallet? Go in for that. But my recommendation always would be you can buy a computer, a laptop with minimum of 2 gigahertz or 2000 megahertz. So when I remove the 3 zeros, I put gigahertz. When I include the 2 zeros, it comes megahertz. So I will not go into deep about that processor measurements. I hope you know that. You get. So another thing is the battery life. How long does this battery last? Does it last for 1 hour, 2 hours? Do you want it to be lasting for 3 hours? You should always note that. The fifth one is the storage. You want to buy a laptop with that disk or SSD. Remember, SSD is more better than a disk because it's a bit faster. It's more faster as in faster in its processing speed more than a disk. So I would always recommend you, if you're going to do like video editing, graphic designing, 3D animation, you should always go in for SSD. Yeah, but if you want to go video mixing, you should always go in SSD, not a disk, because that disks tend to lag behind. Their processing speed is a bit low compared to SSDs, solid state drives. So if you're going in for secretarial work, like for leisure, gaming, you can go in for hard disk. Yeah, tip is if I forget the GPU, this is the graphics processing unit. So some of you call it a video card, graphic card. Yeah, this is a very big tip. So for the people who always want to video editors, gamers, like the live streaming, like, you should always consider this as a big issue, as a big tip, because many softwares tend to use much higher GPU. You understand? So when you go in for video editing using Premiere Pro, like DaVinci Code, I would always recommend you to go in for NVIDIA. But before that, I should teach you the difference. The types of GPU. We have NVIDIA's, we have AMD's. So NVIDIA's, they are so good in gaming and in some softwares for video editing, like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, Adobe Suite, all Adobe Suite. NVIDIA is, I recommend you to go in for NVIDIA video card or GPU, but also DaVinci. But if you want to go in for streaming and what else, there are 3D animation software like the Blender. They always initiate AMD video cards or GPUs more than in NVIDIA. But the problem with AMD, they tend to hit a lot. AMD, they tend to hit a lot. That's the biggest problem. But they are not bad, and I think they are cheaper compared to NVIDIA. So another 70 tip would be the resolutions. How many resolutions does this laptop have? So I would always recommend you to go in for 1920 resolution to 1920 to 1080p resolution, because it gives a good image. It brings out a good image or a good video quality. You understand? What else? If I forget, I think those tips are enough for you. They're enough. The budget, RAM speed, processor speed, battery life, storage, GPU, resolutions. Yeah. If you want to learn anything about computer, about IT, about technology, you don't forget to put your comment below in the comment box. Yeah. Anything. This is your boy Solomon from Kim Solomon Media. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment here. And if you want to do any consultation with me, you should always find me on my social media accounts. Facebook, I use Kim Solomon Media and Solomon Sakasumba. Also on Instagram, Kim Solomon Media. Twitter, Solomon Sakasumba, stroke Kim Solomon Media. You should always find me there. Feel free to contact me, feel free to share with me. I won't give you my email. I think social media is enough. Okay, we'll meet again in another video. I sign out. Thanks for watching. I